in exchange for me dropping the case against him.
Speaking at the latest pre-cabinet press briefing, Deputy Prime Minister Ernest Hilaire reflected on what he described as nearly a decade of relentless legal harassment stemming from a vehicle purchase made with his own funds.
I think in many ways, it really brings an end to a number of years, almost 8 years, 9 years of relentless persecution. And many St. Lucians would probably be of the opinion that I stole the vehicle, I did not pay taxes on the vehicle, I did not submit the right documents. The UWP has gone all out to destroy my reputation, to spoil my reputation. And it's all on the basis of a vehicle I bought with my money, and I did not break any rules or laws.
The saga began shortly after the St. Lucia Labour Party's 2016 electoral defeat, when allegations emerged regarding a Land Rover Discovery that Hilaire had purchased during his tenure as High Commissioner in the United Kingdom. What followed was a labyrinthine investigation that saw multiple controllers of customs appointed and removed, culminating in criminal charges filed in October 2020. Hilaire detailed how the narrative against him continuously shifted as each allegation during the Allen Chastanet UWP administration, he says, proved unfounded, from claims of vehicle theft to unpaid UK taxes to missing St. Lucian customs documentation.
In this case, with my matter, it was about destroying me, and then by extension, the government and the Labour Party. It was about destroying me. But it will take a lot more than this. He will continue to try, and I can tell all of you here today, I am very sure, that you're already conniving and planning what next to do, because that's the nature of the beast. You have to continue to go at it until eventually he's stopped. But I am quite pleased that at least this particular one has come to an end.
The Caribbean Court of Justice, October 4. The court found no evidence that the Director of Public Prosecutions had assumed control of the case, undermining Chastanet's central argument. Moreover, under the doctrine of merger, the controller's bureaucratic decision had been subsumed into the magistrate's judicial determination, rendering it immune to the type of review Chastanet sought. Justice Barrow's concurring opinion delivered perhaps the most stinging rebuke, noting the conceptual impossibility of the relief sought and lamenting that the matter consumed 17 pages at the High Court, 60 at the Court of Appeal, and 21 at the CCJ. Judicial resources that could have addressed the considerable backlog of cases.
When a High Court, an Appeals Court, and a CCJ can, in every instance, point to the illogicality of what you're doing, the nonsensical nature of what you're doing, wasting the court's time. But for him, what's important is that it continues to attack Ernest Hilaire. Just keep throwing dirt, keep saying things, because something must stick, or some people will believe what is being said.
The Deputy Prime Minister indicated that another matter remains pending: Chastanet's challenge to the Citizenship by Investment program, with judgment expected following a July hearing.